started in the backyard, guys. It's about time to start cutting up this cowhead. I'm gonna scald it and wash it off and get serious. Right, so the fire ready. Omar, you know this is genius. We have a stove by this side and still a cooking on the stove. Right now I'm scalding off my cowhead. I'm throwing off that water. Yes, so I drain off that water and now I add some browning to it to get some color. You know, we like our food have little color. I'm making some seasoning for my cowhead. I'm starting with garlic, so that's crushed garlic. This is pimento seed and pepper seed together. Alright, this is some all-purpose season. And I'm gonna add some meat seasoning. Alright, so that's to start my cowhead. So now I add that all-purpose jerk season and garlic that you see I was mixing up with some browning. So I'm adding a little bit of oil. This is olive oil, but you can use any oil like coconut oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil. Now stir this. Let us start adding. So after 2 hours the rain start drizzling down and we have to just finish up inside, but for the most part it is 95% cooked. That's the best good. Oh, rain is coming, so I bring it inside and I'm turning it out over into a different part. I had some broad bean soaking that is going to go right over into it. That is fine. I'm going to add all these seasons, pepper, scallion, thyme, onions. It's almost time to just get rain run me inside, but I still have my pumpkin and sweet potato going. Finally, it is done and will be served right now. These are cow head and cow skin. Thank you for watching. Yum.